Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Tradingview indicator wizard. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first step will be to access the indicator wizard feature. So you can access the indicator wizard features by simply clicking on the indicators button that's on the Tradingview dashboard. Next, you want to select an indicator template. So you can go ahead and select an indicator template such as a moving average or RSI. The third step will be to customize your indicator. So now that you've selected the template, just go ahead and customize your indicator by adjusting the parameters and the settings and whatnot, and just go wild with that. Now step 4 and final step will be to apply your indicator to a chart. So now that you have it customized and all, you can just apply your indicator to a chart to visualize the data. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview indicator wizard. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next